It's about building a uniform for a generation that refuses to conform. Here is something I learned as I built my brand. Fashion should never be used as a tool to fit in, but as a statement of where you stand. The world tried to turn style into a worldly trap of vanity and pride, like the devil wears Prada's mindset. But I want my brand, Bright Living and Lifestyle, to be the exact opposite. I want what we all wear to represent light, discipline, confidence, and character. When I lost my original account and all the data, it forced me to realize that this vision isn't about just selling fabrics. It's about building a uniform for a generation that refuses to conform. Take a look at this architecture. The eye is for awareness. The triangle is for the steep climb of discipline under God. The physical manifestation of a mind free from societal debts. I'm just an ordinary person trying to build a global standard on the foundation of it. The sample phase for our edition 1 piece is moving quietly behind the scenes. If you want to watch the raw, unedited process of how this movement is going global, join the family. Comment the word freedom right now and I'll DM you the private access link to join.